When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal, security, and functionality of your home or business in Bartow, door installation is one of the most important investments you can make. While it may seem tempting to take on a DIY door installation project to save some money, hiring a professional to handle the job offers far more benefits than attempting it on your own. Below, we'll explore why door installation in Bartow should always be entrusted to skilled professionals. Expertise and experience. One of the most significant advantages of hiring professionals for door installation is their expertise. Professional installers have years of experience working with all types of doors, from standard entry doors to more complex custom designs. They know how to handle each project with precision, ensuring that the door is installed correctly and functions as intended. If a door is not properly installed, it can cause a variety of issues, including drafts, poor security, or difficulty in opening and closing. Professionals can avoid these problems by ensuring that everything is aligned, sealed, and functioning smoothly from the outset. Their experience also allows them to anticipate and solve any unexpected issues that may arise during installation, saving you time and frustration. Proper tools and equipment. Door installation requires specialized tools that most homeowners do not have in their garages. Professional installers come prepared with all the necessary tools to get the job done right the first time. From measuring instruments to power drills and heavy-duty hardware, having the right equipment ensures the installation is precise and secure. Attempting to install a door without the proper tools can lead to errors that might not be apparent immediately but could cause problems down the road. For instance, improperly installed hinges or latches can wear out prematurely, leading to costly repairs. By hiring a professional, you avoid these potential pitfalls and ensure that your door lasts for years to come. Time and convenience. Installing a door may seem like a simple task, but it often involves more than meets the eye. Professional door installers have the skills to handle the job efficiently, meaning you'll save time in the process. They understand the necessary steps involved and can complete the installation much faster than an amateur. Additionally, they'll be able to work around any challenges that arise during the process, whether it's an old door frame that needs to be adjusted or unexpected weather conditions. By hiring a professional, you get the benefit of convenience, having the job done right without wasting your precious time. Improved security. A properly installed door is key to maintaining the security of your home or business. When a door is incorrectly installed, it may not seal properly or could become vulnerable to being forced open. This could pose a significant security risk, especially if you live in an area with higher crime rates or if your door serves as the primary entry point into your home. Professional installers have the expertise to ensure that the door is securely installed and that all locks, latches, and other security mechanisms function as they should. With the right tools and techniques, they can ensure that your door is not only aesthetically pleasing but also offers maximum protection for you and your loved ones. Cost effectiveness in the long run. While hiring a professional may initially seem like a more expensive option, it can actually be more cost-effective in the long run. A poor installation can lead to various problems, such as the need for repairs, replacement of components, or even the entire door in some cases. These additional costs can quickly add up, making DIY installation an expensive mistake. Professional door installers ensure that everything is done correctly the first time, reducing the risk of future issues and saving you money on repairs or replacements. Moreover, they often offer warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind that if any problems arise, they will be taken care of at no additional cost to you. Better aesthetic appeal. Finally, a door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home or business. A professionally installed door will not only improve the functionality of your space but also enhance its aesthetic appeal. Whether you choose a modern, sleek design or a traditional wooden door, professional installers can ensure that it fits seamlessly into your home's architecture and looks flawless. With their experience, professionals can provide valuable advice on the best door types, materials, and finishes that match your needs and style preferences. This helps ensure that the final product complements your home or business, boosting both its visual appeal and market value. Conclusion: when it comes to door installation in Bartow, entrusting the task to professionals is the smartest choice. Their expertise, tools, and experience guarantee a secure, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing result. Not only will you save time, but you'll also avoid the potential costs and headaches of a DIY installation gone wrong. In the long run, a professional installation ensures that your door will function perfectly and enhance the overall value of your property.